Hi, welcome to Mini Medi. Today we're going to talk about abundance. In history, we are going through the coronavirus, and I just want everyone in the future to know a little bit what that's like, and just in my perspective. So this is a time in history that a lot of the world has stopped, it seems, and everyone's just readjusting. And there's a virus that just came through, and people are blaming people, governments, countries, pointing the finger. But there's a virus that does not have a vaccine and seems to be killing, and, well, it is killing people, especially the people who already have compromised problems like heart problems or diabetic, high blood pressure, and some people who might not even be aware they are immune compromised. And it's taken older people, a lot of older people, a lot of African Americans, and it doesn't discriminate between political lines or religious lines. And babies have gotten it, infants, 10 months old, all different ages have passed due to this virus, and even tigers have gotten it. A lot of really smart people and scientists are working night and day hard to come up with solutions, vaccines, and treatments to help people. It was obvious there's a lot of shortages, and we were very unprepared. Everyone was. It was totally unexpected. Or even if they thought it might happen, nobody really planned for it. So hopefully they'll put things in order for future generations so it won't have to be so horrible the next time. But a lot of states are quarantined to stay in the house unless you are a worker who is what they call essential and needed. So that would be like nurses and people who are, like, gas stations are open, and there's still some places open that you can go pick up things, and you have to call when you get there, and they will run things out to your vehicles. More and more it's becoming, states are telling people they have to wear masks out. People making food for that curbside pick out or deliveries are now getting required to wear protective masks and gloves. It's definitely odd because Las Vegas was such a, just so many people were going to Las Vegas, for example, and now it's like a ghost town. Everything's kind of ghost town. I think close to 7 million people are trying to collect unemployment. It's just wild, like wild out there. So far, it doesn't seem like there's too much crime like I thought there would be. People throwing things through glass windows, stealing a bunch of merchandise, but we're not hearing about it. If that is happening, looting is not happening yet. It's not gotten to that point. And we might actually be on the other side of it, where maybe we're going to be able to start opening things up again for economic, I guess, rejuvenation, because, wow, I don't even know at the end of this how many businesses will be able to reopen. But the government is helping small businesses and helping people. So hopefully this will all start to turn around very soon. And, you know, we definitely can't have this go on for long because people are starting to go a little stir crazy at home. And it is beneficial to get outside. People are allowed to go out still and exercise. And I mean, I haven't been stopped. I went to the beach and I went hiking. No one stopped me from or pulled me over at this stage. So I live in Indiana, and we have a lot of more cases toward Indianapolis. I think the more dense the population, obviously, the more problems we're having. So, that's kind of what is happening. All doctor appointments just about canceled. You cannot go to a doctor right now. Everyone's attention is on coming up with solutions for the coronavirus. And I just want to do this short meditation on faith, that we are going to find those solutions, and I believe they are coming quickly. So if you'd like to join me on that meditation for a quick solution for our current serious crisis that we are all going through. So just hold your hands out and take a deep breath in. And yes, solutions are here, and our minds are open to receiving them. Answers are coming quickly. Things are turning around for the better. For all the survivors, we have learned tremendous knowledge through this, and appreciate more, and just have an open heart and gratitude for the little things in life, like birds chirping and the sun shining and the warm weather that's coming. My mind is at ease. Your heart is faithful. So just repeat after me. My mind and my heart are at ease. My mind and my heart are faithful. I take care of my mind and my body and my soul, and I am thoughtful with every decision that I make. I think of myself, those around me, and our protection and care, and I know that I am protected, and I know that I am cared for. And even though I don't know why things are happening, and it's okay that I don't, I do understand that we can learn and grow from what is happening in our world. And I do my part for a healthy world by having a healthy mind and healthy thoughts. And I know things are getting better and improving right here and now. And what I do understand is there's so much good in the world, so much good inside so many people, and everyone's doing the best they can. And I just live today in gratitude. That is where my power is in this moment. And in this day. In this day, I hold the power. And in this day, I do what I can to help another person and cheer them up. Encourage people to just do what they can do today. And believe that this light in our economy will come back. And we will be just more balanced and better. And learn to stand in our power and remember what is truly important. Keep our priorities in order. Life is good and beautiful. Take a deep breath in and release. and just say thank you. Thank you for today. Thank you for being here. You can subscribe if you haven't already done so you won't miss any of my videos. And please contact me if you need any help or guidance at MiniMedi. That's MINIMEDI333, MiniMedi333 @gmail.com. And leave any comments and any thumbs up if you like the video, and I will talk to you very soon, and I will definitely see you next time.